Hello everyone, I'm Aisyah, and today I'll be excited to share some tips and tricks for competing in Kaggle competitions and navigating the world of machine learning for competitive design. So these are the things that I wish I knew when I first get started, so I hope my sharing will be insightful for you. The first 2 points I would like to share here is model ensemble and also hyperparameter tuning. So basically, what is model assembling is basically we combine multiple models prediction into one, where this would help us to provide a more accurate and reliable predictions. And for the second one is hyperparameter tuning. So hyperparameter tuning is basically a process where we find the optimal hyperparameters for the models, and by tuning these hyperparameters we could find configurations that creates a better model performance and generalization ability. There's a tool that is popularly used by killer competitors, which is Optuna, where you could explore on where it automates the process of hyperparameter tuning. The two final points that I would like to talk is designing a good validation scheme and also feature engineering. So designing a good validation scheme is basically we did validation, where it is really crucial in machine learning as it helps us to understand how well our model performs to generalize to new unseen data. So by doing something called cross validation, where we split up the data sets and did some predictions on the validation sets of each of the subsets, we could find out and estimate how well our model performs. The next one is feature engineering, where it's all about creating new features from our data sets. There's a guide from Christy, a Kaggle Grandmaster, where he explains it very well on how we could do feature engineering. And I also included the link in this slide too, so that you could go to his sharing, where most of the winning competitions W data is all about feature engineering. Kaggle competitions is not only about winning, actually it also helps you improve your data science skills in terms of providing a good model performance. So I think what helps me in the beginning of my data science process was, firstly, I love to refer back to past winning solutions to understand how the winners actually do their winning solutions and win the competitions. The next thing is these two books, which I think helped me a lot in the beginning of my learning journey, which is one book called Approaching Almost Any Machine Learning Problem from Abhishek Thakur, which is a Kaggle Grandmaster, and also the Kaggle book. So these two books talks about how you could approach even any machine learning problems, and how to improve your model performance, even how to reliably estimate how well your model performs to your data. So I think that's it for my sharing, and thank you everyone for listening.